We're Peak Design. We know a bit about cameras. And we know a bit about bags too. But we know even more about travel. This is the travel line. The 45-liter travel backpack. Tech pouch. Wash pouch. Packing cubes. And camera cubes. Whether your trip is short or long. Whether you carry a camera or not. Whether you travel for work or play or both. We design these products with the versatility, organization, and access you need. Because no two trips are the same. And it starts with how you pack. Sometimes you need organization. So we made a system of cubes that fit perfectly in the main volume. While a separate organization panel holds small stuff, flat stuff, or expands to carry extra loads. But sometimes you just need space. Remove the divider and use it like a duffel. Laptop, check. Tablet, check. Hidden pockets. Side pockets. Interior pockets. A quick stash pocket. And a pocket for external straps, so you can always carry one more thing. But it's not just about what you carry, it's about how you access it. From the back, so you can see everything and your straps stay clean. From the side, so you never have to dig and you never miss a shot. From the front or the top. It's about how you carry it with total comfort and on-demand support. Carry it at your side or on your luggage. And when you're carrying less, we made a travel bag that can be your day bag too. It's about how you stow it, instantly, cleanly, universally. And it's about how it protects your stuff, inside and out. But we didn't stop there. Packing tools take organization and efficiency to the next level. Great for any bag and perfect for our travel line. Our cubes provide custom modular organization, from clothes and shoes to photo gear to a full professional creative setup. Keep your camera secure, yet accessible via a single zip. Inside, you'll find thoughtful organization. Outside, you'll find easy access and durable materials. Packing cubes expand instantly and compress to save space. We created a tool to carry the small stuff and one for toiletries that open cleverly, organize like none other, and bring delight to your most common travel workflows. This is our 8th Kickstarter. For those who know us, you know the drill. For those who don't, allow us to introduce ourselves. We're crowdfunded. We're creatives. We're travelers. We were born on the road. We design stuff that we ourselves want to use. And we do it with the direction of you, our backers. These are the best products we've ever made, and are the culmination of everything we've learned from crowdfunding. Thank you for the opportunity to bring them to life.